Good morning, students. Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss in new chapters. Okay, in previous chapters are completed several types of reactions, explanations, definition, general reactions, mechanisms, and application and uses. Okay, so today discussing new chapter, that is polynuclear hydrocarbons. Okay, so here comparative study of the aromatic character of linear and non-linear orthofuse polynuclear hydrocarbons. So A part is linear orthofuse polynuclear hydrocarbon. The compound having more than one aromatic nucleus is called as polynuclear hydrocarbon. What is the polynuclear hydrocarbons? The compound having more than one aromatic nucleus is called as polynuclear hydrocarbons. Example, simple example, are you studying naphthalene, molecular formula C18H12, that is the polynuclear hydrocarbon. What is the polynuclear hydrocarbon? The compound having more than one aromatic nucleus is called as polynuclear hydrocarbons. Okay, so here A part, it is an orange solid, melting point 357 degrees Celsius. Okay, it is an orange solid. It is a solid, nature is solid, then orange solid, melting point is 357 degree Celsius. It occur in coal tar and has been synthesized as follows. It occur in coal tar and has been synthesized as follow. So here synthesis, phthalic anhydride is react with pteryline in the presence of AlCl3, anhydrous AlCl3, then gives this product, and this product is fuming H2SO4, gives intermediate product. Then this product is reduction, that is in the presence of zinc dust at 700 degree Celsius, gives naphthalene, gives naphthalene. Okay, next B part here, naphthalene when oxidized with fuming nitric acid in form occur naphthaquinone, melting point 294 degree Celsius. It is a naphthalene quinone, melting point 294 degree Celsius. Naphthalene quinone, first on treatment with phenyl magnesium bromide C6H5MgBr, followed by dilute acid. So next here, this naphthalene anthraquinone in the presence of phenyl magnesium bromide on hydrolysis gives like this. An antibiotic tetracycline contain the naphthalene skeleton. These points are only introduction, not in discussion in your exams. Okay, so here B part, non-linear orthofuse polynuclear hydrocarbon. First is linear orthofuse polynuclear hydrocarbon. Second is non-linear orthofuse polynuclear hydrocarbon. So here benzanthracene 1,2, benzanthracene having melting point 160 degrees Celsius. This occur in coal tar and has been synthesized as follows. Bachmann 1937. Okay, that is the non-linear orthofuse polynuclear hydrocarbons. Okay, next topic, it is a very important, are you discussing exam? Okay, exam general introduction. Okay, so here first is anthracene. Okay, it is molecular formula C14H10. C14H10. The structure of anthracene is one aromatic ring, second, then third. Okay, 3 benzene ring. Here double bond, alternate double bond. Okay, then here double bond, alternate double bond, alternate double bond, then remaining here. Okay, that is the structure of anthracene. Anthracene is a anthracene is a tricyclic aromatic hydrocarbon. Tricyclic aromatic hydrocarbon in which 3 benzene rings are fused together in a linear manner. Okay, already 3 benzene rings are present in anthracene. So here 3 benzene rings are fused together in a linear manner. The next, the structural formula are above. The anthracene and phenanthrene are isomers, like as this. Here first benzene ring, here second benzene ring, then here third benzene ring. Okay, so here bond, here bond, and here bond. Sorry, here bond and here bond. Okay, it is the anthracene and phenanthrene are isomer. Anthracene and phenanthrenes. Anthracene is an example of linear fused aromatic molecules, while phenanthrene is an angular fused aromatic molecule. Okay, 2 aromatic molecules, anthracene and phenanthrene. Only one difference: anthracene is an example of linear fused aromatic molecules, while phenanthrene is an angular fused aromatic molecule. Angular fused aromatic molecules. Next, anthracene is found in coal tar, which is purified by distillation, that is fractional on boiling point in between 270 degree dash 370 degree up to 370 degree Celsius. It is also called green oil. It is also called as green oil. So next point, very important for your exam, synthesis. Next point, synthesis. Here first is from benzene and phthalic anhydride. Okay, from benzene and phthalic anhydride by Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction. So here Friedel-Crafts reaction, they are classified into 2 types. First is Friedel-Crafts alkylation, second is Friedel-Crafts acylation. So what is the Friedel-Crafts alkylation? The reaction in which one hydrogen atom of an benzene is replaced by one alkyl group is called as Friedel-Crafts alkylation. What is the Friedel-Crafts acylation? The reaction in which one hydrogen atom of an benzene is replaced by one acetyl group, CH3 bond C double bond O, CH3 bond C double bond O single bond. That is the aceto group. One hydrogen atom is replaced by aceto group. So first synthesis of anthracene from benzene and phthalic anhydride by Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So here, when phthalic anhydride in benzene is treated with AlCl3, orthobenzoyl benzoic acid. First is product orthobenzoyl benzoic acid. Okay, is formed. This when heated with concentrated H2SO4 or PPA, P for P for phosphoric, A for acid. PPA is a long form. P for poly, P for phosphoric, A for acid. At 100 degrees Celsius, yield anthraquinone. Second step, anthraquinone, which on distillation with zinc dust, which on distillation with zinc dust gives anthracene. So here three steps most important. First steps, phthalic anhydride in benzene is treated with AlCl3 gives orthobenzoyl benzoic acid. Step first. In step second, when heated with concentrated H2SO4 or PPA, polyphosphoric acid, at 100 degrees Celsius yield anthraquinone. Then third step, which on distillation with zinc dust gives anthracene. So one by one steps are explained. Step first, phthalic anhydride. So here these are phthalic anhydride. In benzene is treated with AlCl3, aluminum trichloride anhydrous. So here gives orthobenzoic acid. So here product, first benzene ring, second here double bond O, here double bond O, here OH. Okay, here that is the orthobenzoyl benzoic acid. Step first. Step second, on 100 degrees Celsius concentrated H2SO4 at PPA. Okay, so here gives anthraquinone. Okay, here does not bond, here double bond O, double bond. Okay, in step second, when heated with concentrated H2SO4 or PPA at 100 degree Celsius yield anthraquinone. In step second. Then step third, product is formed, that is the anthracene. Okay, in the presence of zinc dust gives main product, that is the anthracene. Okay, are you understand? First synthesis of anthracene from benzene and phthalic anhydride. In step first, when phthalic anhydride in benzene is treated with AlCl3 gives orthobenzoyl benzoic acid. In step second, orthobenzoyl benzoic acid is heated with concentrated H2SO4 or PPA at 100 degrees Celsius, yield anthraquinone. In step third, this anthraquinone on distillation with zinc dust gives anthracene in first synthesis. Okay, then second synthesis. By using Friedel-Crafts reaction. So here benzene ring CS2Cl react with each other, ClCS2, okay, in the presence of same catalyst AlCl3 HCl gives H, 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 then last here double bond, double bond, double bond, double bond, double bond, double bond. These are 9, 10 dihydroanthracene. Okay, then these 9, 10 dihydroanthracene on reduction in the presence of platinum or nickel, same catalyst platinum or nickel gives anthracene. Okay, that is the anthracene. That is the Friedel-Crafts reactions. Okay, second synthesis with Friedel-Crafts reaction. So next synthesis, very important for your exam. Third synthesis, 1 benzene, okay, is react with Br CS2 Br. Here Br CS2 Br plus 2 molecule of benzene. Okay, first and second. In the presence of same AlCl3, here -4 HBr remove, -4 HBr, so gives same here. Okay, H, 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 then H. Okay, in the presence of same reduction in the presence of platinum or nickel, so gives anthracene. That is the anthracene. Okay, next synthesis, fifth synthesis, phthalic chloride, COCl, COCl. Here name phthalic chloride. Phthalic chloride is react with benzene in the presence of AlCl3 gives first anthraquinone. So here these are anthraquinone. Okay, these anthraquinone in presence of zinc gives anthracene, anthracene. Okay, next synthesis. Okay, then next again synthesis. Okay, most important from naphthaquinone and 1,3 butadiene. So here Diels-Alder reaction. Diels-Alder reactions. Diels-Alder reaction. So here first is 1,4 naphthaquinone. So here structure of naphthaquinone is react with 1,3 butadiene. Diels-Alder reaction. Okay, gives anthraquinone here. Double bond here single bond. So here in the presence of CrO3 ACOH, acidic acid ACOH, CrO3 or ACOH gives here, not these are anthraquinone. So in the presence of ACOH, CrO3 gives anthraquinone, double bond O, then last benzene ring. Okay, these are anthraquinone. And these are anthraquinone on distillation in the presence of zinc dust gives naphthalene. In above reaction are discussed. Okay, these are anthracene. That is the synthesis of anthracene. Next, reactivity and orientation in anthracene. Anthracene have 3 benzene ring fuse linearly, so it might have been expected that resonance energy of anthracene would be 3 into 150.6 is equal to 451.6 kilojoule per mole. 451.6 kilojoule per mole, but its actual energy is 351.5 kilojoule per mole. So it is more reactive, more benzene.